going on? How my P4V, Pay for Value Champions, doing today? It is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. This is going to be a CVM, Champions Value Mindset PB Playbook video. I'm going to go over how YouTube has gave the power to the people, right? And why I believe everybody should have a YouTube channel. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. Back years ago in the 90s, early 2000s, to get your message across, you had to be associated with somebody. Somebody had to put you on. You had to get signed, or you had to be dealing with some type of company to get to where you're trying to go. YouTube, you can literally film a video and put it on your channel and immediately make an impact. Or it may be years before you make an impact. It may take years before you make an impact, but your impact's gonna come. Don't worry, it's coming. It's gonna take some time, right? But it's coming. Don't worry. I researched the first YouTube video, and it's this guy. It looked like he had a zoo, and he looking at the elephants. And it's like a 19-second video, and that's the only video the guy ever posted. Millions of views or whatnot. He never knew that it would do that, because it gave the power to the people. See what I'm saying? You can build your own thing up. Now you build a channel up, and your main, don't think, if you're thinking in terms, I don't want to be famous, I don't want people to know who I am. Don't think like that. Just get your message across. It's some channels where the people don't ever even show their face, and they still did something huge. Sandman is a guy in the MGTOW section. Alright, and I support the MGTOW section because should nobody be able to put anybody in a box. Like, if that's what you want to do, do it. Ain't no reason to be in a box. He never showed his face. Never showed his face. Like, got a lot of videos, got a lot going on. Never show his face. So if your face is what you're worried about, you could block your camera out and just film. And then download a video editing platform like a Filmora 9. Or actually it's Filmora X if you're on PC. And I forget what the I think it's Final Cut for Apple. Let me look it up real quick. Final Apple. Yeah, I don't know exactly what it's called, but yeah, there's plenty of apps that you can edit on Apple if you got a Mac. So, yeah, so you got the power. So now, as you got these videos, right, you can embed them, play them on your website. It's gave the people the power. Just like cryptocurrency has, which I will be doing that on a CBT video, Champions Business Tips. Literally it's BT PB. Because that's the playbook. So that's one of the new movements that we're doing. We want to shift everything that way. So it's tying everything back to the playbook. But that's for a future video. So don't worry about that. That's coming. But yeah, it's giving the power back to the people. So now you don't have to worry about a company putting you out if you want to do something. Put your own stuff out. Put your own name behind it. Put your own stuff out. Because a lot of people, oh, can I get on this person's channel? I really think that this will make an impact or whatever. It might. But you relying on them. What you relying on them for, right? Do it yourself. Build your own platform, and you don't know where it can go. Just be brave enough to do that. That's the hardest part in it to me, is the times when you just getting started, because those are the times where it's gonna be hard. Those are the times where you might not believe in yourself. Those are the times that you don't know what might happen, because it's just you. It's just you and your business. That's it. You and your channel, you and your videos, and it's up to you to build it up. And let me get to something a little bit deeper. Your mindset should be, if this reaches 1 person throughout the lifetime of this video and their life is changed from it, you did your job. One person, you did your job. Now, that one person could put you on to 10 people, 20 people, 50 people, 100 people. You might not even know how that impacted their life. From that one person getting your message and taking it somewhere and believing in it and applying your energy. So don't be afraid. Right now, I give you the tools. I'm on a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Dang, the sun is crazy. We're gonna have to work with it. I know it's kind of bright out of here because of all these clouds, but it's cool. I got the video done. I ain't even tripping. Let's see if I can get a better angle. No, it's gonna have to do. It's just gonna have to do. So that's what kind of phone I got, and it has a memory card slot. That's perfect because now I can shoot long videos, plug my phone into the computer, immediately pull the video from the phone, get straight to editing. So I love this phone. I use it all the time. I got my iPhone still. Why? Because see, I don't like when people try to put you in a box. Like, oh, are you Android app? Like, why you need to be in a box? Dude's both. It's technology. Like, so don't be all one-sided. So yeah, YouTube has given people the power to the people. And if you're late to the party, don't let that bother you as long as you got there. And then you got to remember, if YouTube isn't around years down the road, it turns into something else or it gets bought out by ABC, throws a big old check at them or something happens and they Google sells it or whatever, they're tired of being involved in this business. At least now you have people that you've moved over to your website, to your coaching classes, to your brand, to all your stuff. So now if YouTube goes somewhere, you have something else. It's not just I got this. You got this and built this, but you are really focused on your own platform, right? So just understand that. Come with merch. Me, I still got the Bankroll hoodie on, right? I'm gonna be doing some crypto inspired gear because I feel like it's a big movement. So people need to be able to wear gear that supports what they believe in. So that gear is coming. Be on the lookout for that gear. The crypto inspired gear is coming. Be on the lookout for it. Be ready for it. It's what we need. And so I'm gonna step out and do it, right? I got some concepts I'm thinking about. This is one of the ones I think is gonna really take me where I need to go. So be on the lookout for it. That's definitely coming, along with some pay-per-value stuff. Be on the lookout for that. But yeah, YouTube is giving the power to the people. If you want the power, start a channel so you can start learning about media production. You can start learning about getting your message out there. Like, do it. Get it done now. Like, get your wallets now. Make your channels now. Get your LLCs now. Get your logo. Do this stuff now. So when you look later, you can have everything you need and you can work for yourself. It ain't gonna happen overnight, but you can lay the foundations step by step. Every day, lay the foundations. Every day, work towards it. Every day, believe in yourself. And every day, do something to get you closer to that dream, that goal, that where you want to be. Don't let nothing stop you. There will be setbacks. Have a fitness goal. Have a financial goal. Have a business goal. Have an educational goal. Have a family goal. Have goals and work towards something. Don't just live your life just going through, waking up 10, 11 o'clock, not doing nothing, irritating people. You know, have something going, period. Have your purpose is number one. Like, people get it. Yeah, you have your kids in this. Yeah, your purpose should be number one, because your purpose ain't number one, you're going to get distracted. And then you might be in a position you'll quit your job, can't take care of your kids. Your purpose should be number one, period. Don't forget that. But just remember that. YouTube is giving the power to the people, and if you don't have a channel yet, you're behind. You're behind. You're not utilizing this power. And it's free, too. It's free. Free. You don't got to pay for this. What are you waiting for? It's free. You don't have to pay for it. But what you want is something that's gonna be, you gonna rather ask somebody, can I get on your channel? Because their channel is, 1 million subscribers, 2 million views a day. You think that's gonna change your life? Nope. Build your own brand so you don't have to beg and ask. Ask once. If you don't get the response you need, that means you got more work to do. Because if the people they looking to, I'm pretty sure that they will get on their stuff. Ask once. If they don't say nothing, move on, get back. That means you got more work to do. You got more work to do, and get to working. Put the work in. Period. Put the work in every single day. Put the work in. There's no time for days off. There's no time for playing games. It's time to put the work in. It's time to build these channels. It's time to get the crypto wallets. It's time to buy crypto. It's time to research crypto. It's time to save your money. And it's time to invest it. Period. Let's stop waiting. So when 10 years goes by, you can live the life you always dreamed of. Because we have a limited time. Do you not get that? There's a limited time on this earth. You're not going to live to 140 years old, most likely 150. So do what you got to do now. Get it done now. Stop playing. Stop wasting time. Period. Get it done. Get in the lab. Get focused. Get around people that can, change your mindset. Right? That's what you got to do. You have the power right now. Take advantage of this. Because one day we might wake up, YouTube's turned off. If you build your channel, and then a lot of people go there, they're going to Google you. Oh, where's he at? Where's Champion's Playbook? Where's whoever, whichever one it is. They're going to search it, find you, and now you can stream on your website. Things like that. You brought people different platforms. So now when you start your next platform, people already know where you at. Think about it. We got the power. More people should have a channel, period. And like I tell you, my thing, because I got this gate. I'm like, man, forget it. Just film wherever you at. Just get up, do it. I don't care if you got to film in the bathroom. Get a tripod, mount the phone on it, push record, and get your message going. Have your notes and go. Stop looking for excuses, because if you look for one, you find one. If you look for a reason to win, you'll find one for that too. Stop playing games. Right now is the time to build these channels. Right now is the time to build these brands. Right now is the time to put yourself in a position to leave a legacy. When people die without doing nothing, everybody forgot about them. We all gonna leave this earth. Let's leave our families in a better position. Let's leave a good legacy. So when somebody thinks about me, they'd be like, man, go Playbook, he was doing something. He built this. Look what he built. Think about Walt Disney. Been, passed away for a long time. But look what he built. Look what Kobe Bryant built. Look at the legacy. He got the MVP award forever is going to be named after him. Forever. Can't nobody never take that from him. Right? He mentored people. He put the work in while he was here. He wrote books. He did everything. Therefore, he did everything. Do the work while you're here. Period. Do the work while you're on this earth. Do it now. Get it done now. We have the power. Let's execute on that. Stay focused.